Good morning, guys. Yes, I am live streaming again today. Beautiful AMA here on this Sunday in Gafea, Spain. Let me know if the sound is okay. Let me know if the image is okay. I'm streaming on Rumble, also streaming on YouTube. I still need to check if the chat and everything is working. So I'm going to go inside, check if YouTube is working, and then I will just continue when more and more people are inside the channel, guys. Let me see over here if we have some things going on YouTube. Oh, I don't know still. Yes, I'm in the image. Okay, it is streaming. I will check if I can share it on Twitter as well. Over here, post. So yes, I know it was not announced. I didn't announce anything. I'm just going to do a live because I'm into doing live. Good morning, everyone. Welcome, Didi, Karting, Tim B, Maarten, Raymond. Welcome, Danielle. Welcome, Rodijn. Welcome. AMA means ask me anything, or in Dutch, VMA. Welkom Elko Venema, Robert Brunning, Fuku, Sia, Dizzy, Harold, allemaal welcome. I'm just gonna walk around in the garden, talk to you guys about Bitcoin, blockchain, and life, and try to answer as much as possible questions for you on this beautiful Sunday. In Spain, at the moment, it's Mother's Day. So in Spain, it's always Mother's Day on the first Sunday of May. So today we are gonna celebrate Mother's Day. I invited a group of 20 people, of which a lot of mothers, and we're gonna do a nice garden party, guys, with some barbecue and all that stuff for the mothers. Let me know what kind of questions you have. I will start to try and answer all of these questions while I'll sit down over here. I need to grab a chair. I'm gonna grab a chair. Unstructured, unplanned. Good morning, Didi. Why don't you prepare? Because I don't like to prepare. Winterberg. Oh, sounds cold. Yes, I'm gonna do an English AMA, guys, because we have a lot of English people as well, and I'm not gonna only do Dutch today this weekend because I'm only do one live. Good morning. I'm gonna check if I get all the questions in because I can see a lot of YouTube questions, but I don't know if there's all the questions, so I need to really check if there's going well, because else I need to get my laptop and put my laptop next to me to see everything as well. Are you all watching on YouTube? Are you watching on Rumble or X? Let me know. And please drop all your questions while I'm checking if everything is okay in the settings over here. Yes, it is. Oh, I need to look there. That's the camera. Good morning, Togo. Good morning. Togo. Where's Togo? Mon asked again, are we going to go in Portugal or Asia? In the summer, we will stay in Europe. And in the winter, like end of the summer, we will move to Thailand again, probably. Happy Mother's Day from all the families in Spain. Amazing. What do you think that is going to happen to Mt. Gox? Nothing. People are going to hold their Bitcoins till the top. And even if they are going to sell, they are not selling as much as like Grayscale has been selling. So I don't look at Mt. Gox at all. YouTube, Antwerp, Serge, buying hieroglyphs. Are you buying hieroglyphs or runes on runes? I haven't bought hieroglyphs on runes yet. I am buying a lot on runes. Yes, that's true. Give me 1 second, guys. I need to take my laptop because I think I don't see a lot of questions. The questions are disappearing. 160 viewers. Last time we had like almost 400 viewers or something. We had a really big amount. Yes, so professionally, so professional. We're walking now to the living room, making sure Jessa's not in the image. Papa. Going back here to the garden. Let me see if I can go here in the live. Yes, now I can see all of your questions, guys. There was not too many questions that I could read. It's very strange on Rumble. I don't know. Kind of disappointing at the moment, Rumble. But I can see more and more questions now on my laptop, so that's perfect. And maybe I should put something here for the shade, because else the laptop will be burning. Okay. Good morning, Vincent Veldhoven. Vincent is creating my new website, guys, and the new website is going to be amazing. Just check that website. And where is the Bybit link in your bio marked as a dangerous link? By whom is that marked as a dangerous link? I don't think it's a dangerous link. I think Bybit is one of the best exchanges out there. So why would that be marked as a dangerous link? Soon, I will probably also start to announce another exchange that I'm co-oping with. I'm still doing my due diligence. I'm still doing all the fact checks and the liquidity checks of the exchange. So I want to make sure that you have a very safe exchange next to Bybit. Maybe a non-KYC one this time, but I will soon share that link, the referral link for that one as well, guys. The house is amazing. Yes, thank you, Elko Vinema. Eren Jäger, I think the name is. Are you actually happy? No, I'm depressed as a fuck. I'm not happy. I'm like, no, I don't like my life. What a cool question on this beautiful Sunday morning. What is happiness, Eren? Are you always happy? Not always happy. Nobody is always happy. Somebody, you need always downs to have ups as well. So nobody is always happy. I'm as happy as it can get at the moment. Is there other things that I would like to achieve in my life or do different in my life or live different? Yes, always. But that's like, I'm a twin Gemini as a star sign with an ascendant as Gemini. So I will go up and down all the time, guys. So yeah, I'm pretty happy as far as I can tell. But maybe you should ask my wife if I'm happy. Happy, long time. What is this? I don't know what it is, but something. I don't see this. There's a very strange screen now on my thing. I don't see you guys anymore. This is like pinned comment. Okay, 1 minute. Maybe I need to pin. I pinned a comment. Okay, something new that for me. Do I see other questions? Like see. Good morning. Which countries will I never visit? No, that's a very good country. That's a very good question. Do you see sideways move to 50 to 53K? Very good question by Bitcoin Bushi. No, I don't see 53K till the chart shows me 53K. And if we drop to 53K, I will be buying at 53K. But at the moment, I don't see that happening, as there was a shitload of support at 57K. You're already at 63K again, so there would have been like almost a 64K. We touched like 7K profit that we just bought when I told you to buy. Will we drop to 53K? Nah, I don't think. I think the sideways will be between 58K and 70K, and then we'll be going sideways for all the time. But I do think there will be a huge breakout soon. That's why I made the video. I'm not making those titles just to clickbait you. I really believe that we will see a huge breakout because, if you look at the daily charts and all the weekly charts, then we are kind of bottoming out on the RSI. The MACD cross was there. So like, I really believe that we are going to go up very soon. Let me see. Another question. You say you are going to sell bitcoins in the bear market, buy bitcoins. Madam Cooper, why would you be buying for a more expensive price? No, when you sell bitcoin at the top, let's see, like 120 to 150K. So one bitcoin gives you 150K, and you buy back at the bottom around 50K. That's like 3 bitcoins buying back for selling one. You sell one, you buy back 3. So yeah, you can even do a long aside of that, but I'm also multiplying my standard capital. So my capital, my bitcoins, I'm multiplying it, and of course I will be trading as well. But I think the most important part is that you also multiply your standard capital. At least that's my opinion. My sound is not good. Can somebody else confirm that the sound is not good? Because I'm using this mic, and the mic should have very good sound. Let me know before I continue, because else I need to do something different with the sound. The sound should be really good. Let me know. I think if there is a chance to hit 200K in this bull run? Yes, I do think there is a chance. In my opinion, the chance is not that really big. I believe that we will be between 120 and 160K, but there definitely is a chance that we will go to 200K. Like it's all possible. Like Plan B stock to flow model is even saying 500K in average in the next 4 years. So that would mean we would go above 500K and below 500K to create that average. So for me, 200K, yeah, I don't know. So somebody, and all saying that the sound is okay. So some people are saying that the sound is bad, but yeah, maybe your computer is cheap. Buy yourself a new computer or iPhone or headphones. More in the background, guys. How is this possible? This is impossible. I'm working with this very good mic, so I can't think. Okay, can you let me know if the sound is better now? 1 second. 1, 2, 3. This one. Is the sound better now? Does this make a difference? Because now I took away this mic thing. Let me know. Test. Is okay. I'm going to just continue answering the questions, but just let me know if the sound is better now or if it's the same, because then the thing was not even working. It's also possible, of course. There are rumors that after this bull market, we should not invest our profits in altcoins. What do you think about that? There are rumors that you should not invest. Why would I don't understand anything. Now people say the sound is better, and now let's see. Let's see what it does. Why would that be a rumor? Like altcoins will always be there. Just see it as a traditional world. We have Bitcoin, which is gold, and we have stocks in the traditional world, which are like, for example, the altcoins. So these stocks, you invest in them to accumulate more gold or any other sort of value that you believe in. My sort of value is Bitcoin. So I will always be trading alts, like all the other Bitcoiners will be trading alts to have fun in this industry, to support decentralization, to support certain projects. So I wouldn't know why they won't exist. Now, of course, the liquidity that goes into all the spot ETFs, that is a different story. Everything that goes into the spot ETF, they won't be buying Shiba Inu, or they won't be buying Pepe, or they won't be buying any meme coin. They will maybe be buying the spot Ethereum or exchanging a little bit of Bitcoin for the spot Ethereum. So the more spot ETFs there will be, the more institutional investors will also be switching between them. But at the moment, institutional investors like, well, what is it, like 10% of all the volume? That's nothing. It's nothing. We are not there yet. Okay. Nice house, little expensive for a no coiner. Yes, it is a little bit more expensive house, and you should have bitcoins. Let me see. Do we have any other money badger? You are one of the reasons I bought Bitcoin. I remember talking to you by a year before halving, sell after halving. Yes, so 6 months before the halving, you buy. At 16 months around that after halving you sell. If you would have done that for the last like 3 cycles, you would have been more profit than just holding bitcoins. Less, also not more risk, because it's like almost riskless to buy 6 months before the halving and 16 months or 18 months after the halving. Would you ever buy XRP? No, I will never buy XRP. 3 white soldiers. XRP is it's just not my currency. It's just not my thing. XRP is just it's created through the banks, for the banks, to help the banks. And for me, Bitcoin is still a revolution against the central bank system, against against all of that destroyed our that destroyed our lives like we know it at the moment. So for me, XRP is supporting those banks. Why would I be investing in something that is supporting the banks? So that's not something I could do. I would do. Would you invest in something that you really don't like? Like, would you invest in a company that uses child labor? Or would you invest in a company like all of that stuff? I wouldn't, because my values go against that. My values are against the banks. I'm unbanked. So why would I support a cryptocurrency that tries to help the banks? It's the most stupid thing I've ever seen, in my honest opinion. So I don't understand why XRP has this huge army of people supporting this. It's just not my thing. It's just really not my currency. So that was my last question. There's a video on my channel. You can find that one. And the video, yeah, you will see my real opinion about XRP. Let's see. If I'm skipping questions, just repeat them again because I can't scroll back all the time because my finger is still like in the screen all the time. Sound is good. Thank you for telling that with me. Let me see over here. There was one question that I saw very quickly. Inverse purpose, so only in the bear market. No, so the bull market, I trade inverse perpetual to accumulate more bitcoins. I don't want to accumulate more USD. Let me make this very clear. In the bull market, if you trade to accumulate more USDT, what will happen is you will win USDT, but because the Bitcoin price starts to increase more rapidly than the amount of USD that you will be winning, you won't be able to buy all these, all these Bitcoins. So because the Bitcoin becomes more expensive every time, so you need to be very profitable USDT trader to be able to buy one Bitcoin during the bull market, because the Bitcoin price will go from 50K to 60K to 70K. So you need to make a shitload of profits on USDT. I don't think that. It's better to trade inverse proportional where you accumulate Bitcoin. You should be accumulating USDT in the bear market. When we trade downwards for 12 months, that is when you accumulate USDT, because then you stack your USDT little bit, and then at the end of the bear market, when the bottom, that is when you exchange all those USDT into Bitcoin, for example. So that's a more easy way, in my honest opinion. Okay. This weekly candle, guys. Yeah, let's be very honest. If this weekly candle is gonna close the way it looks now, let me see. I think nothing changed since my video yesterday, like a few bucks, but not like that much. Let me see. I'm opening the chart on my laptop now just to check the weekly candle. It is over here. Nothing. That is Julie. Good morning, Julie. The weekly candle looks really bullish. Julie is also in the image. Yeah, way more clicks again. Look, if you look at the weekly chart, the last time we printed this kind of candle, and it means like a very large wick to the bottom and a very small body and a very small wick on top. The last time we printed this candle was the 22nd of January 2024. So that was a January candle. At that moment, we were at 41,699. When that candle was printed, the next weeks, we went up from 42K all the way bam to 75K, 24K. So that was a huge run because of that candle. A lot of candles tell a story. At the moment, we are building the same exact candle, now again in April 2024. That was January 2024, and it was a huge, huge run. If this candle will again lead to the same that the previous candle did, that will be a 20K run. That will bring us to 80K. That's a huge, 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 huge run, guys. So for me, these candles are always telling a story. Every time when we see this kind of candle, the candle that time before that we saw also this kind of candle was, let me check here, bam, over there, 13th of November in 2023, same kind of candle. At that moment, we were at, let me see, we were at 37, and we brought it all the way to the top of 48. That's a 10K run. The candle before that was over here in March 2023. We were at 20K, and we brought it to the top of 31K. So these candles that are happening on the weekly are very, 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 very important candles. And I think if we close this candle now in 14 hours and 6 minutes, that will lead to fireworks. That's why I'm saying I am prepared to see a huge move. I will be buying these dips. But yeah, that's me. The weekly candle. I'm talking about the weekly candle. Sorry, guys. And that was maybe a little bit too much information for the ones that are trading. 300 viewers. That's amazing. Thank you. Sven up the count that the sound is good. Let me see if I have any other questions over there. Such a nice weather here in Europe. So yeah, the weather is amazing. It's like the sun is shining. Yeah, that one. How can I contact you? I developed an anonymous orange pill idea. I got stuck in the development. I could really need your advice. Clark. You can send me a DM in Telegram. and that is my full normal name, no double, like Didi Taihuttu with the double T and just one U. And I have a verified account as well. On Telegram, you will see a blue verification sign. So send me a DM and I will, maybe I can help you. Chainlink, definitely. Flash numbers. I'm a huge Chainlink investor / will. I invest early in Chainlink and I will keep buying Chainlink. I believe Chainlink will go easily to $100 in this bull market, which means times 5. 10K, 50K, 100K, 500K, 200K, 1 million. Something like that. Times 5. Everyone can do the calculations. Selamat hari. Good morning. The Anthony Van Rooij, how is our Amazon Prime series doing? So the first week we directly flew into the top 5, which normally doesn't happen for a series that is not like promoted by a huge big like company. Like we are just a normal family with an Amazon series, and we went like to the top 5. We stayed there for a week. Now we are dropping, of course. I think the views are still well. We will get it's the 5th now, so it's live now exactly for 1 month. I think this week we will get some numbers in, and I can let you know how it's doing. But I think it's doing pretty well, as the request is also there to go internationally with this series and all that stuff. So yeah, I think it's good, and even for season 2 and 3 are some plans already. So nice house, little expensive for no coiner. You said it now for the second time. What do you mean with a no coiner? For a no coiner, yeah. It's not that expensive. We don't own this house. I'm not going to make a term, oh, it took my $60 million house. No, that we don't own this house. We just rent these houses and we stay there for a couple of weeks and we move on to the next house. But this house is the first house where we collectively as a family said, okay, we could be living here. Like it has a gym, it has a jacuzzi, it has a pool, it has sea view. My bedroom is like all around sea view, so you know what I'm thinking. Yeah, and you know, yeah. Yeah, what I'm thinking? Let me know the comment. If you see my bedroom, what is the comment? And see, okay, let me see. Do you run an elite edge node on Terra Network? No, I don't do that. And I haven't researched that. If you want to educate me, send me some information because it sounds very interesting. From Germany, soon. So there was a 30-day exclusive launch in the Dutch-speaking countries. So they bought the rights exclusively for the Netherlands, Belgium, and Luxembourg. That is where it went live the first 30 days. The 30 days are gone now because we went live on the 5th. And it will take like a couple of days, maybe weeks, and we will go live internationally as well, as far as I understood. First English-speaking countries and Spanish-speaking countries and French-speaking countries, I think, and German-speaking countries. Depends on the laws of Germany, guys, because Germany has some very strange laws when it comes to Amazon Prime. It would require me to speak in the whole everything in English. I'm gonna take a napkin to clean my screen because I can see it's very dirty. It's not like flickering, it's like yeah, now it's better. So we are looking into Germany at the moment, but English-speaking countries will be first because they don't have this license issue. So back, okay. Summer liquidity pause, yes, Bitcoin Bushy, I expect a summer liquidity pause. I do expect that people in the summer will go on holiday, will enjoy life. On the other hand, this will be the first summer after 2 years of like not making that much money for a lot of people. So maybe a lot of people are not able to go on holiday. Maybe they will be forced into trading and earning something more, but mostly the summer is like quiet time. People enjoying life and not attached to the screen. I don't need curtains. I need hands against the window. That's what I need. Afghan-speaking countries. I don't know. We haven't looked into Afghan-speaking countries yet. I don't know if we are even popular in Afghanistan or Afghan-speaking countries. Arabic-speaking countries. I don't know. I don't know. That's a good question, but I haven't heard anything about that. Where do you trade in VR? I don't trade VR. I just buy and hold my VR tokens. I think VR is like not by far at the top of the market. Like the VR price on the top was like 50 cents or something. So I think easy times 5, 6 at the moment that we can do in the bull market. So VR for me is just a investment I did near the bottom, and I will hold that till the bull market shows me to sell. Also the altcoins. Fear as fees are high on Revolut. Yes, the fees are high on Revolut. I don't know. I don't use Revolut. I had a Revolut account really long time ago in 2017. It could even still be active. I don't know. I haven't used it for a long time. But Revolut is the bank that also accepts to buy Bitcoin and sell Bitcoin within the Revolut app. And you can even use, I think, you can even send them outside. Now, that's what I hear in all the comments. So I don't know if the fees are high, guys. I use Bybit, and I'm soon going to announce another exchange that I'm working with a link that you get a special bonus if you sign up to that one. And that exchange is non-KYC. You will be able to trade non-KYC as well. So watching from YouTube in Brazil. Bom dia. Or is it only Portuguese? The series will take a couple of weeks, I think, for the series to go live in all other countries. But I depend on all these companies that are doing all that shit. So I need to, I just need to wait for that. And then, how do I? That's how I do it. I still cannot buy any t-shirts in the web shop. Okay, is the web shop not working? That's strange. Because I have seen, I think, some buy orders come by. I'm going to check that for you because I thought that the webshop was working. Again, René Godding, thanks for that. I'm going to check it. I need to, I think the website developer is also here in the video, and maybe he can take a look or something, but normally it should be working. So I need to check it. Normally you should be able to buy t-shirts. Watching from Australia, down under. Hey, mate, how are you doing? A 0.99% at sale and 0.8. That's a little bit more expensive than most exchanges. But then again, it is a very easy way and no shit with onboarding and on-ramping and off-ramping. Okay. Casta from Caldemoon. Frederik van Howard. I invested in Casta in the previous bull market already. And then Casta did really well, the project, and the app also was working and all the stuff. Then my Casta tokens got stolen, but they were stolen during my hack last year. And I have never received those Casta tokens back from the Casta company. Well, I did support them. And of course, the hack is completely my own fault. But you would expect from rich people like them and friends that they would give you back that few tokens, but for all the work that you did for them. So the project, I think, is a good project, valid project. I think it's working. The app is working. I have tested the app. You can pay with it. You can even, I think, they are going to attach your card and everything to it. So I think it's doing good. But I'm just very sad and disappointed in the fact, that my tokens were hacked and that there was no love back from Casta team. Well, I gave them a lot of love. So Limboland, a scholar. Yeah, Limboland, Aussie. Sydney, Australia, amazing. So many people from Australia. Wow. So I think we should focus also on Australia. That's like English speakers. So that series will also be live in Australia probably. For all the other people that already watched the series, I hope you really enjoyed it. So season 1, let's see how season 2 and 3 will play out, guys. North Korea, wow. That's also really cool. We have even people from North Korea. Are you fancy for go-karts in Torrevieja? Yes, definitely, Tarek. Definitely. We are now not in Torrevieja. We will be a couple of more days here in Javea, and then we will move back to Torrevieja again. And I definitely fancy some go-karting. I love go-karting, and my kids love go-karting as well. They are like, we did it a few times, also in Portugal, a really professional go-kart course. They like it. Watching from Congo. Congo? No, that can't. It's not about Congo. That's like, where is it? So that's like in Africa, isn't it? Yeah. Wow. Is it safe over there nowadays? I don't know. I've never been to the Congo. Oi, oi, oi. What do you think about Switzerland? I love Switzerland. Switzerland is a very beautiful country. It's also tax-wise a very good country, and crypto-wise a very good country. A country, not company. Of course, each country is a company, but Switzerland is not that bad. It has healthy air. It's beautiful. It doesn't have the sea. It only has these lakes. That's the only disadvantage. But you can go skiing. Crypto Souk, it's Crypto Valley, really cool over there as well. So I think, yeah, it could be nice, but it's really expensive to live. And, I really need the sea. I love the sea. So that's really what I need. Could be a country for the winter to do some skiing, but not for me to live in the sun. Even people from Afghanistan, how are you doing in Afghanistan? Is everything well over there? Is everything okay over there? How's the weather? Yeah, let me know. Bonjour, bonjour de France. Je ne pas parler français, un petit peu. Voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir? That's the only thing I can say in French. That's, I think, also enough. Do you sometimes wish a son on your side? The sun, yes, a son. It will come. My kids are turning 19. Julie's turning 19. Juna already turned 17. Jessa's turning 14. I think there will be a son somewhere in the future, a son-in-law that will come and enter the house. At least if he is owning Bitcoins, it's very clear. If you don't own Bitcoins, even if it's like 0.01 Bitcoin, it's okay. But you need to own Bitcoin because else you do not enter this house. You can enter the house, but you will be thrown off that cliff over there directly. And if you mention XRP in our family, I don't think you will survive. Which wallets do you recommend due to the lawsuits in the mixers? Yeah, that's really good question, Jeffrey. So Samurai wallet was one of my favorite ones. There is a few other coin mix wallets. I did make a list of them. Let me see. Because I'm doing some research, which wallets I should start to, tell people to use now that all these others stopped. Let me see where I have my. I did have a list. List. Because I was always so using Wasabi wallets. So yeah, it all depends. But I think there will soon be a company creating a completely decentralized wallet. I can't find my document. A decentralized wallet that will allow us to do all the stuff that we did on Samurai wallet or Wasabi wallet. Sparrow wallet is also a very good one that has it still built in. So yeah, I will just keep using what is possible, guys. And watching from Fiji. Wow. I would love to be in Fiji as well sometimes. It's like very nice. And if the person will be XRP millionaire, then he won't be allowed as well. No, we don't have anything against anyone, guys. Everyone is welcome, at least as if he doesn't have a bank account. No, you can't have bank accounts. If you have a bank account, we will help you to get rid of it. Tried to buy t-shirts now. It keeps highlighting green boxes like I forgot a step, but I checked everything and used read on the computer. Also, thank you, René Golling. I'm gonna look into it as soon as I end this stream, guys. Palau ID for KYC. Yes, I have a Palau ID that works really nice. You can also have a Palau ID if you want. You just need to apply for it. It will take, like the ID itself doesn't take that long. It will take a little bit longer to receive the physical card. If you want to do it, then use this link and you will get your Palau residence. With that, I already joined a couple of exchanges, which is amazing. So even Bybit allows it, many other exchanges are allowing it. So you can use these Palau IDs. Very simple to set up your exchange account. You need to make a new email address before you do that. And then you can just trade on Bybit like you have always been trading. Or all these exchanges are now like going to leave the Netherlands or Germany or France. Yeah, then you just take your Palau ID, like $250 a year, and you're able to trade as a king. I have the same problems on my t-shirt. Then there is an issue at the moment with the store, guys. I'm gonna check it. Maybe it's already being checked, but it's very strange that it's not working because it has been working all week. Are you Samoan or Tongan? No, I am Moluccan, Maluku Islands. That's like near Indonesia. Yeah, it belongs to Indonesia. It doesn't want to belong to Indonesia. It wants to be an own republic, but yeah, Indonesia doesn't allow it to be an own republic. But Maluku Island, that's where my roots are. The island Haruku, and the village is called Wula Liu. So that's where I am from. So maybe it's it's near I think Samoa and all those areas. That's why maybe I look a little bit like my daughters always told me I look like Moana. Moana, you know Moana, like the big fat guy with long hair, and we're a superhero. That one, Moana. Yeah, my niece even always like, hey, that's Moana. Yeah. Okay, thank you. um, where is the best place to go for an ayahuasca experience? Three white soils. Where it depends on which country you are. If you are in the Netherlands, I would go to the Zilverboom. If you're in the Netherlands, that was my favorite place. I also did it like privately sometimes. So the Zilverboom in the Netherlands. If you're in other countries, please do it somewhere where you have a real shaman that does it in a like cultural setting, not like just like fun setting. That's not nice. That's not how it should be. Best greetings from Vienna. Greetings. Alle Grüßen zurück nach Wien. Das geht gut da, auch in Wien. Ja, hier auch alles gut. Alles gut, gut, gut. Let me see. Your tattoos look like Samoa. The one on my back is a Maori tattoo. This one is more Japanese tattoo. This one is more tattoo. I don't know what kind of tattoo. It's also Japanese combined with a face. And yeah, of course, the most important tattoos are, of course, this one is the Bitcoin tattoo. It is called is the peaceful energy tattoo. So yeah, different styles. But yeah, I'm prepared to do some more tests. You look like Bo from Brawl Stars. Bo from Brawl Stars. Oh wait, I'm gonna Google. I don't know who he is, so now I open Google. Bo Brawl Stars. Let me see who Bo from Brawl Stars. Bo, I'll do him. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Kinda. Yeah. Yeah. I didn't know who Brawl Star was. Now I know who it is. Thank you. Somebody saying hi, Didi Sheka, hi Didi Yeshka, hi Didi Yeshka, Zilverboom, yeah, in the Netherlands. Her name is Monique. I had very good experiences with them. There's also one in Venlo. I forgot the name of the center in Venlo in my hometown, and there's also a very good one. The podcast, yeah. So okay, Silvio, or yeah, Silvio. A lot of people were amazed by the podcast of Lotgenoten. A lot of people were positive. They were more positive than ever before. So I've watched back my podcast with Lotgenoten, and I think it was a really good podcast. But I'm still wondering why so many people were so positive. Und ja, ich spreche ganz gut Deutsch, ich verstehe auch Deutsch, mein Deutsch ist so gut. Ja, wieso ist das gut? Weil ich in Venlo bin geboren an die Grenze von Deutschland und dann mussten wir oder Drogen verkaufen an Deutscher oder Kaffee oder wir wollten deutsche Freundinnen finden in die Clubs, so da musst du auch Deutsch reden. Let me see. Good morning, blessing from Venezuela. Good morning, Venezuela. We really have an international setup here. That's really cool. I've seen people from all over the world. I'm proud. I'm very proud of myself that I have like a huge community all over the world. It's amazed. I started a couple of years ago with YouTube with like a few hundred followers, and now we are around 75K followers or subscribers, and all over the world. This is amazing. Let me see. Do we have any other questions? Oh, it's going so fast. Sorry if I don't answer all the questions. Didi, do you have a religion? Do you have a religion? My religion, Bitcoin, is I think my religion. No, no, I'm not like a very religious person. I'm a spiritual person. There's a huge difference between being spiritual and having a religion. I think there is way more than there is that we see on this world, but I do think that has something to do with all the spiritual stuff in the world. Like there is something, but I don't believe in a religion. I don't believe in a certain God or a certain Allah or a certain this. Like I respect everyone for what they believe. I will leave. For me, it's live and let live. So everyone needs to have their own religion, but I do think that a lot of wars and fights always started because of religion. So that's why I prefer to not like support any religion and just believe that there is something up there that makes life even more beautiful than it already is. It's going very fast. Okay, I need to read the questions over here. Maybe that goes a little bit better. Pa, 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 pa. Which country would you like to live in when retired? Yeah, very good question, Justin. But yeah, I am already retired, to be very honest. So it's not that I need to still work. I'm working and doing these YouTube videos because I just want other people to understand how simple it kind of is to reach this freedom lifestyle, but also live it as a family, to not like live inside the box that was taught us when we were like growing up. Like, you need to go to school, you need to do this, you need to do that. Like, that's why I do this, because I want to help other people achieve that financially. I am retired already, but there's still this also entrepreneur in my head, and then that wants to prove that he's doing something and he can do like the best version of himself in that. So as a YouTuber, I want to reach 100K subs. So my focus is I just keep pumping information until I have this 100K subs. So, okay. Too long answers because that's why I missed so many questions. Florida, thank you, Florida, for watching from Florida. Ik bin der Beste. Ja, dat is zo goed Deutsch. Didi, what are your thoughts on Saylor recent talk? I didn't see Saylor's recent talk. I think Saylor is a very good guy. He's promoting Bitcoin in a very cool way, but he was a little bit late. Let's be very honest. He started in 2020, 2019, 18. That's when he started. Like, I started in 2013. So I do love how he's promoting Bitcoin to institutional investors and to all his rich friends, and converting companies into their exchanging their reserve capital into Bitcoin. But when it comes to knowledge, and living the real Bitcoin life and being a real Bitcoiner, I don't think Saylor would be my guy to go to. Then Andreas Antonopoulos for me is 10 times more intelligent, 10 times more well-spoken, 10 times more Bitcoiner than Saylor will ever be. So because a company guy, puts his reserve company money in Bitcoin doesn't make him a Bitcoiner. I want to see if he has bank accounts. How many bank accounts does he have? Does he have more of his own private capital in Bitcoin, or does he have more on his bank account? Because it's beautiful to promote something that your company is invested in, and then all the people that are investing in your company are making money off. Are you then doing it just to make money, or are you really doing for the decentralization of the world, to protect the world of the central banks and those social credit systems? That is what my Bitcoin mindset is, and I don't think. I want to see how much does he have on a bank and how much does he have in Bitcoin. A real Bitcoiner has more than 90% in Bitcoins, maybe 10% in the bank, 90% in Bitcoin. If he doesn't have that, he's not a real Bitcoiner. So very simple. But I like what he's doing for companies. So keep doing what he wants to do. When retired, so if there would be a country where I would like to, I don't think I am the type that would always live in one country. So probably I would be switching between Asia and Europe. South America also really nice, but then I prefer Asia above South America, I think. So those two countries would be nice. The winter in Europe is way too cold that we need to be there in Asia or South America, but maybe like 4 places. Maybe we need to retire in 4 places, like 3 months every place. 3 months Asia, 3 months like Europe, 3 months South America, and maybe even 3 months Australia or something like that. I don't know. Let me see, but I will definitely let you know when the Bible card is allowed again. There is also a different other card that I've been sharing. I don't know if I shared it already with all of you guys. There is a new card that you can use in a very simple way. I will put it here in the link. You can top it up with your crypto. I think up to $2,000. It's a virtual card that you can use to add to Apple Pay. And when you use it in Apple Pay, you can just pay with your telephone directly. So you're skipping Bybit and by that, but you're using this debit card. The link is there, Flightback Solutions, and you can even earn some gold when using it. So really cool card as well. Oh, God, these questions are going so fast. Sorry for this, guys. I won't be able to answer all the questions, but I'm going to do maybe another live this week on Wednesday or something. Where will you be buried, Crusader? I won't be buried. I will take my bitcoins to the moon and just live on over there. I don't know. If I'm gonna be buried, I would like to be buried in a country where I'm allowed to have a small tomb. Like I don't want like this Dutch flat thing with a stone, like it's very small. I want like a small tomb where people can enter and where they can see then like all the Bitcoin addresses and my pictures, and where they can sit and relax, enjoy music, like a soundproof tomb where people can go inside and party with me still when I'm dead, something like that. Like that would be really cool, I think. Yeah. So in Spain, I drove by in a begraafplaats. Okay, I'm checking my wife now. Cemetery. She's looking like he's retarded. I drank too much yesterday. Um, so a cemetery, and I saw these tombs. Yeah, I like those tombs. Um, Let me see other questions. In bear market, do you farm stablecoins? Yes, in the bear market, I do farm and stake stablecoins. I'm of course in the bear market. I'm all in stablecoins, like making, accumulating, staking, whatever is possible to get more stablecoins to buy the bear market bottom and buy back a shit of the bitcoins. See you in Morocco. Yeah, of course, I want to come to Morocco. Where are you living? Do you have a nice house, big house, sea view? Do you know when we can order the buy? No, not. Oh, that question already had. Oh, okay. How old are you, Didi? When you gonna start getting paid your pension from your government? They're gonna be paying your bank account, which you don't have. No, no, I don't even have a pension. What a question. Very good question. I am 45 years old, Mr. A. I never had a job after like 4 months working for a company. I never built up a pension. I was always very secure or very like very very overtuiged, very oh my god, my English today is like I was just very convinced that I would never need a pension. I would make sure I make my own pension. Bitcoin is my pension. I don't have any accounts, so they can't pay me a pension. They can't pay me even away, it's called the Dutch Netherlands. Even when you leave the Netherlands, every year that you're outside of the Netherlands, you get like 2% less or something. So in the end, I won't be getting pensions and all that shit. I won't be depending on pension and all that shit. They will be depending on my bitcoins. I want a picture of you and me in Gavea at 4 p.m. at Cala Bandira. Very good question, Dennis. It is very difficult for me to come to Cala Bandira today because today I have a party here at my home. So I invited 20 people for Mother's Day and families, and we are going to have a lot of food and barbecue and all stuff. So I won't be able to come today any other day of this week because we extended the stay. Is good for us, guys. It's good for me. Will I attend BTC Prague in June? Half wakker. I haven't been invited yet to BTC Prague, so mostly I just wait till they invite me because I just don't want to go somewhere again and then, promote all of these events without even having free tickets or something. Yeah, I'm a pinteneuker, we call it in the Netherlands, so I'm not going to pay for the shit. I think I did enough for this industry that they need to invite you and give you tickets and all stuff. But whenever they do, I will always go there. Yes, and I will pay my flight and everything myself. I don't care about that. But at least tickets and all that stuff, it's just, I think you give a lot of love to the industry and you bring a lot of people to the industry. So when these events want you to on their event, they should be like able to give you tickets and all that stuff. Do you think there will be bitcoins available in the next bear market due to supply shock? Yes, I do think there will be next. I don't think that there will be a different market in bear market. There's always people prepared to sell because there's always people prepared to take profit. Look at gold. There's still always every day gold being bought, gold being sold. It also will happen to Bitcoin. And yes, there's a limited supply, but it will take to the year 2140. Miners need to survive. They need to pay their costs. So they always will be selling. Other people will be taking profits. And maybe other people again start to believe in complete different industries. They want to go to AI or they want to go to biohacking or they want to go to something else. So they will sell their Bitcoins. There will always be Bitcoins being sold and bought. So I'm never afraid they can't buy back my Bitcoins. But then again, I'm never selling all my Bitcoins. It's always that we keep like 30 to 40% of our Bitcoins even in the bull market top. I won't sell them. I will be saying Bitcoin. Bitcoin is my core capital. I'm only multiplying the Bitcoins with a huge part of our capital, but also a huge part not. I hope that is clear. Using Tether and chain analysis partnership to money transactions still pro USDT. I haven't read that yet, but if that is gonna happen, I don't know if I still like USD. DAI for me is still a decentralized stablecoin that I really trust. DAI is really good, and of course USDC is also usable. So I diversify. I use USDT, I use DC, DAI. I will keep like coin joining all of the tokens and switching them to Ethereum and again back. And you can do a lot of things to still keep it hidden, or at least keep your name hidden from the wallet. Didi, base ancient is telling that we nieuwe all-time high and also inflation of wonen altijd door. There's a lot of people saying that, an all-time high is always expressed in a certain fiat currency, in dollar or euro. So the dollar or the euro, we made an all-time high. Of course, if you calculate the inflation, then of course the purchasing power of that all-time high is not as strong as the purchasing power of that previous all-time high. But that's about the purchasing power. Like you can't buy more now for the same Bitcoin than you like maybe bought than you could in the last bull market up in 2021. But the all-time high is official. We are in dollar calculating or in euro a higher price than we were like in 2021, 3 years ago. So the all-time high is definitely true, but I agree that the purchasing power of this new all-time high might not be that big as that it should have been because of the inflation. So you're not able to buy more with that new all-time high than you were buying. But like, as long as you all keep calculating your profits or your capital in euros or dollars, you will never be buying more. You should turn it around. Bitcoin is your core capital. Everything is in Bitcoin. If you get your salary on Monday evening, which should have been to exchange to Bitcoin. Whenever you need to pay something, exchange it to euro or use your debit card to pay it, but never stay in euros. So for me, thinking the other way around. Hope that is a little bit clear. Can you swim? Yes, I can. I'm not going to jump in the pool now because I need to do a lot of work because in 1.5 hours, people are coming. Groeten uit Limburg, groeten terug in Limburg. How did you put money on your Bybit when you sold all your belongings? Jeffrey Lacroix. Okay. We sold all our belongings already around 2016-17. I started mining Bitcoins in 2013. In those times, Bybit did not even exist at that moment. We were there before Bybit. So we used at that moment a website that was named localbitcoins.com. So you could still go to the bank in 2016-17 and cash 10K, 20K, 50K, whatever you want, and buy OTC over the counter directly peer-to-peer through local bitcoins. On the other hand, at that moment, I used Bitonic because the money that came in from the selling of the house came into the bank account. At that moment, you were able to sell to buy bitcoins at Bitonic, for example. I still have a link to Bitonic because I think it's still the best way to buy in the Netherlands. To be very honest, and I could just buy it there, and there was no limit. It was not like a limit like it is now. Now you're like almost you can't buy anymore because you have 50K max or something. At that time it was not there. So for us it was very simple, different than for the people nowadays. So it's that's true. But then again, it's also not possible for us to go back to the banks anymore. Rum versus whiskey. If it is a mix, I would prefer rum. If it is not a mix, I would prefer whiskey. Do you think 200K possible in Q4 2025? Like I said at the beginning of the video, it would be possible, but the chance is not that big. I think 120 to 160K is the top. I just think that's the top. How do you put money on Bybit when you sell all your belongings? Yeah, I already explained that. At that moment, there was no KYC at Bybit. There was no KYC at Binance. There was nothing. You could just open a Binance account and you just send like everything that you wanted there. Everything changes because all people say yes to the governments every time. Like the shit. Yeah, you should stop saying yes and stop fucking up the government. You should start voting for those people that are for Bitcoin and not for like banks. Good day, Sylvie. Do you have electric or petrol car? do you drive electric? At the moment, I drive a diesel car. At the moment, I drive a Land Rover Discovery that I bought really cheap from my father-in-law. That's not even registered in my name. Didn't buy it even. Officially, I didn't buy it. I just borrowing the car and driving it through Spain. Let's say it like that. Yes, I do have Bitcoin Cash. I have an equal amount of Bitcoin Cash as I have normal Bitcoins. Yes, the EU is completely fucked. Hey, we have like 410 viewers. Amazing. Okay, I'm going to give away a couple of t-shirts because I really like that you're here on a Sunday, and I want to wish you an amazing Sunday. So I'm going to work on the shop. That the shop again is working, and I will give away 5 t-shirts to people that make the most funny comment after this video is uploaded. Just the most hilarious, funny, sexistic, sarcastic comment, and you will receive a t-shirt. 5 of you. I love your positivity. Thank you. I don't know why I shouldn't be positive at the moment. Life is treating me well. We are doing really fine. So yeah, happy. The best meal I have ever had lately. The best meal I had lately. So that's a very good question. Yesterday I had a very good meal because yesterday I ate, and there is a restaurant here in Havea. It's called Corrales, and they had Wagyu beef, level graded 5. So it's like the most exclusive Wagyu beef, which is pretty expensive, but there's not many restaurants having that top level Wagyu. So I had that yesterday. That was a really, really, really like good piece of meat that really melted on my thumb. No, I still have coffee. So that was really well. And the second thing that would be the best dinner I had lately was be frikandel. Yeah, frikandelletje. Frikandelletje. Do you still mining any coins? No, I'm not mining any coins at the moment. Bitcoin, the cycle 120 to 160. When will estate? Well, soon. I'll keep your eyes on estate X because it's going to be very, very cool. Het schaapgeluid. That's for all the people that don't understand my language. Means buy Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin is king. Yeah, Bitonic. That's my link to Bitonic. Hey Didi, Steve Hanley. We stopped in that villa, mate. It's beautiful. I won't mention the name as I'm sure you're privacy. However, it goes on forever. Love your content. We stopped in that villa. I don't understand what you say. What you mean? We stopped. You slept or stopped? I don't know. It's a very good villa. I still have my Dutch nationality. Yes. So, what do you think about SHIB Doge? Yes, like SHIB and Doge. All the I mined 26 million Dogecoin already in 2014. Dogecoin is still I still have a few million Dogecoin because it's still. I'm just like I'm attached to Dogecoin because of one of the first meme coins that I ever had. So, will I cut my hair? What kind of questions are you all? Yeah, maybe soon. Maybe soon I will do it shorter again, like this. Or maybe I will do ponytails like this. How many BTC do you got? Two. One is for me and my wife, and the other one is for the kids. How's your house tour, please, Didi? Yeah, I'm gonna give you a house tour. I will make a video. Do you want to have a video about this house? I will make a very cool but funny video with my daughter Julie and Juna and Jessa about this house, because I'm not going to make a video like all the other influencers do, like, oh, check this huge big blah blah blah, because I don't give a fuck about the house. It's not mine. I rent it. But I want to make a funny video about how a minimalistic family celebrates a holiday in this kind of a house. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a cool house. Yeah. But I will show you the house. I will walk a little bit so you can see the outside. The house. Beautiful house. Teacher Greeting from Brisbane, Australia. Didi holding a large bag of soul to look at Soul BC trade later. Yeah, whatever you want to do, it's all good. From Didi to Pipi. Sol, I've been invested in Sol for a long time. I did sell my Sol a little bit too early, but I just couldn't handle that they were like stopping again, like 6 times in 2 years' time was too much for me. That's why when I sold my Sol, I don't take risk on that. So, but I do think it's a good project, but I just want to have a decentralized project that cannot be stopped. That's what I prefer. Yeah, I will make a manual laid back blue on how I would do it now, not like how I would like recommend you to do it, but how I would do it. Okay, because I cannot be a financial advisor. Um, very welcome, Ekment Barayar Maganai. Yeah, I take the time to help all people out there. I do this with a passion. I like to do it, so I will keep doing that. Can you do a Christmas show? A Christmas show? What? It's like May. No, it's May. I do not do a Christmas show. Maybe mid Christmas. Cardano, yeah, a nice. I would stake Cardano as well on near and staking. Can I? Why would no? I would. Yeah. I don't know if I would stop it. I would stop it before Bitcoin goes like off like crazy. To be honest. We can have a giant party to your house and we all sup. Woo, are you ever going to visit Los Angeles? Yeah, of course. We want to go to LA. Definitely want to visit LA. I think my kids want to go to the United States very badly as well. But let me see how it all like goes over there because we couldn't go there for a couple of years because we were not like vaccinated and we didn't want to wear a face diaper. And now maybe we can again. I don't know how it works with Visa with Bitcoins, and can you still bring your Bitcoins into the States, or will they confiscate your telephone, all that stuff? It's like I don't know. It's not like my favorite country, but I do think there's a chance that we go there. The girls understand Bitcoin well enough, especially the proper custody. Yeah, they understand Bitcoin well enough. They hold their Bitcoin. They know how a wallet setup and everything works. Yes, of course, they understand it. They also don't have a bank account, so they can only use their Bitcoin wallet and their debit cards at the moment. Rune. Yes, I think Rune will be big. So, yes, I think Rune will be big. I think all the things that will be built on Rune will also be big. So, yes, I think it's very good. There is somebody that wants a t-shirt. Perfect. I can see it. Shirt with pitch. You buy a frikandelle fabriek from the prophet. Yeah, it could be a very good one. Frikandelle fabriek. Is the moon landing real? No. LA sucks right now. If you want to visit Disney, go to Florida. Okay, I will go to Florida. No, the moon landing was not real. It was fake as shit, I think. I think it was really fake as shit. Everyone can do the same that we are doing. If you just understand the Bitcoin cycle and go all into the Bitcoin cycle. And yes, it will take one or two, maybe one cycle to like really do what we are doing. But if you never start, you won't be doing anything. So, guys, I have done a 1 hour YouTube. A live AMA answered a shitload of questions. I hope you really enjoyed it. I'm gonna look here. You can see the house a little bit. So that's let me see. That's my bedroom. No, there. That is my bedroom. Look, beautiful windows. And we have more bedrooms. And then we have a down floor with a gym and everything. And of course, the view is amazing over here. Sea view all over the place. Today we're gonna have a nice party. I want to thank you very much for watching this and asking all your questions. Sorry for those that I couldn't answer the questions. There was too much questions at the moment. I will, of course, after this uploading this video, announce tomorrow or something who are the winners for all the t-shirts. Maybe I will do a few excellent of them indeed. Thank you. I wish you an amazing Sunday, Mother's Day, beautiful mothers, for all the mothers out there that do celebrate Mother's Day now. I know in the Netherlands it's next week, Spain is now. Thank you for watching. Give it all thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below the video when it's uploaded. And see you again tomorrow with a normal video. And maybe let me know. Can you let me know if you like more lives? Because then maybe I could like switch 1 or 2 days of the week from the normal video standard into a live. Like, for example, Monday normal video, Tuesday a live, Wednesday normal video, Thursday a live, Friday a normal video, and then maybe even Saturday a live. So let me know if you prefer the lives or if you prefer the normal format videos. Let me know down below. Thank you for your help. Wish you an amazing Sunday. See you tomorrow again. Bam, bam, bam. And end.